Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we'll learn how to use the belt and chain command in assembly modeling in Solidworks. So let's see. Now let's see how to use the belt and chain command in assembly modeling. So for that first we'll create the model. So let's go in the Solidworks. Click on the new tab, select the part model and click OK. First we'll create the parts. So I'll just select the front plane, draw one center rectangle. Here take the dimension of 500 by 750. Exit the sketch. Go in the features, select the extrude boss, select this rectangle, and take it as 50. Now select this face, click on the sketch, make it normal to. Select the circle command and draw two circles. Again I will select the circle command and draw one circle here. Go in the add relation and make both this circle equal. Go in the smart dimension, take this diameter as 30 and this diameter as 50. Distance from this origin will be of 175. Same for this. This be of 160. So go in the add relation, select this and this, and again make them equal. I'll just undo that command. I'll just draw one center line. Now go in the add relation, select this circle, center line, and this circle, make them symmetric. It is already in symmetric due to dimension, so we'll just keep it as it is. Just go in the smart dimension and again give the dimension. Now here select this, take this as 150. Go in the add relations, make them vertical. Exit the sketch, select the extrude boss feature, select all the three circles. For that go in the selected contours, take the extrusion length of 100, click OK. Now just save this part. So I'll just save this on desktop. I will create one new folder, name it as belt and chain. Just save it as part number 1. Now click on the new tab, we'll draw the second model. Select the front plane, click on the sketch. First draw one center line, or select the midpoint line, draw one midpoint line. Now first I will draw one sketch. Draw one center line. Go in the smart dimension. I will assign the dimension. So this distance be of 15. This will be of 40. I'll just shift this point here. So now it is properly in mid. Again go in the smart dimension. Take this as 35. This be of 15. Take this as 20. This also 20. Just take this as 12. Then go in the smart dimension. Take the angle. I'll just undo this. Take the angle between these two lines is 120. Take this as 60. I'll just mirror this part. Select the mirror entities. Just select this part to mirror. Select the mirror about. Select this center line. Click OK. Our sketch has been completed. So just exit the sketch. Select the revolvers and select this. Click OK. Now select this face. Click on the sketch. Make it normal too. Select the circle command and draw a circle here. Go in the smart dimension. Take this as diameter 15. This distance be of 33. Go in the add relation. Make it properly vertical. Now go in the circular sketch pattern. Select the entities to pattern, that is this circle, and we have to create 4 patterns. So just click OK. Just exit the sketch. Select the extrude cut command. Select the sketch and just make it through all. Click OK. Now just save this part as our part 2. Now we'll create the third part. For that also we have to create the same. So again we'll draw one center line. We'll just change one dimension here. Again select the midpoint line. Draw one midpoint line here. Draw one center line. Select the line command. Draw the sketch. Now go in the smart dimension. First take this distance of 25. This length of 40. This will be of 35. Take this of 20. this will be of 15. Take this distance as 12. Now give the angle of 120. Take this distance of 60. Just take it as 12.5. Now we'll just mirror this part. For that, select the mirror entities. Select this left hand side sketch. Click on the center line to mirror. Exit the sketch. Select the revolve boss and select this center line. Click OK. Now again we'll create 4 circles here. Select the circle command. Draw the circle of diameter 15. Go in the add relation. Select the point and make them vertical. Go in the smart dimension. Take this distance as 43. Now go in the circular sketch pattern. Select the introduce to pattern, that is this circle. Click OK. To make it defined, we'll just go in the add relation. Select this origin point and this point. Make them coincident. It's not getting properly coincident. So we'll just undo this. Just keep it as it is. Just exit the sketch. Select the extrude cut. Select the sketch. Select the through all option. Click OK. Now just save this part as our part number 3. Now we'll see the assembly and how to use the belt chain. For that, select the assembly modeling and click OK. Now first we'll select the first component. Now we'll select the second. We'll just create one copy of this. Now we'll select the third component. Now we'll apply the mates. For that, go in the mates. Select this circular surface and this circular face. Make them concentric. Select this face and this and make them coincident. Same for the other part. Select this circular face and this circular face. Make them concentric. And this face, make them coincident. Same for the third wheel. Now just click OK. Now we'll first save this assembly. Now go in the assembly features and select this belt chain option. Now select this face, and this face. Click. Before that, we'll just check. See, click here. Give the belt thickness of 0.5 and just click on the create belt part to create the belt. Now just click here, right click here and select the edit sketch option. Go in the features, select the extrude base. Now click on the thin feature and take this as 1 mm and take this line thickness as 20. That is on this side, so we'll use the midplane option. Click OK. Now it has created the belt. Just click here. Like this, you can create the belt on the wheels. You can just rotate it. So like this you can use the belt and chain in the assembly modeling. Thank you friends for watching this video.